Vehicle Spec family, welcome back to a quick walk around on the new 2026 Honda Pilot TrailSport in ash green metallic with a brown interior. For 2026, Honda has made some slight changes on the Pilot. First thing to notice is the front fascia here, a new larger grille, and the TrailSport, the unique gray grille. The lower portion, front fascia, has been updated as well. You still have the full LED headlamps, high beam, low beam, turn signals, daytime running lights, LED fog lights on the lower portion as well. But you can see the bumper has been upgraded for 2026. The new brown interior that's available on the TrailSport now. You can get an idea there, which is nice, with orange stitching. All Pilots now get a bigger touchscreen display. You get the new, I think it's a 12.3 touchscreen display instead of the 9-inch. A lot of people complain that the 9-inch was too small. Also, every Pilot will get the new 10.2 full digital instrument cluster. Previously, it was standard on, I believe, the Elite and Black Edition. Now every Pilot will have that. On the TrailSport, you now have heated second row, which wasn't available on the previous TrailSport. Same wheel design, still get the 18s with the all-terrain tires. And these are the Continental terrain contact. You probably noticed the orange accent around Pilot. That's new for the TrailSport for 2026 to match the TrailSport badge. You still have your standard hitch in the rear, and you do have your flat black with silver portion of the rear bumper. Up here, it's body colored with flat black. So no more Diffused Sky Blue Pearl. That has been removed for 2026. The ash green has replaced Diffused Sky Blue Pearl. But the new front fascia of the Pilot, you can see it's a more meaner, bolder look with that wider grille. I'm hoping to get one of these in person so we can do a more thorough walk around, but that's the quick look of the new Honda Pilot for 2026.